In this video, I'll show you how to send an Outlook invite without showing recipients. If you want to create a meeting in Outlook and keep the attendee list hidden, the easiest way is to use the Hide Attendee List option. Microsoft supports this in Outlook on the web and New Outlook when you create the event through the full meeting form. Microsoft also says there is no true BCC field for meeting requests like there is for regular email, so hiding the attendee list is the feature you want to use instead. First, open Outlook and go to your calendar. Click New Event or New Meeting to start creating the invite. Add your meeting title, choose the date and time, and then enter the people you want to invite. Next, make sure you open the full event details if Outlook first shows you a smaller event window. In Microsoft's instructions, the setting appears under Response Options on the full event form. Once you open that menu, look for Hide Attendee List and turn it on. That will prevent. Remember is that security warnings from Microsoft can also be a clue. Microsoft says it may alert you about unusual sign-ins, especially if a login happens on a device it has not seen before. So if you receive one of those alerts and it was not you, take it seriously and check the recent activity page immediately. So the basic process is simple. Open your Microsoft account security page, review recent activity, look for unknown sign-ins, mark suspicious entries, change your password, and sign out everywhere if needed. That is the clearest official way to check whether someone may have access to your Outlook or Hotmail account. Hope the tutorial was helpful, subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video.